Hello everyone. So I'll start the IMU-CET examination paper. Uh, so this year's paper I have right in front of me, and I will solve one by one the general studies and the aptitude section. So let's go one question at a time. Question 155: Which is the southernmost port of India? The answer is D. Tuticorin. 156. Surat is situated on the bank of which river? It is Tapti River. So Surat is situated on the bank of Tapti River. The next question is, which country has no river? Saudi Arabia is the only country in the world which has no rivers flowing through it. So this is the correct answer. The Digboy oil refinery in India is located at which state? So the answer is Assam. Digboy is in Assam. Which one of the following is the union territory of India? So Mizoram is not an union territory. Even Nagaland is not. Tamil Nadu is a state. It is not. Only Lakshadweep is a union territory of India currently. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? The answer is Punjab. Punjab actually means land of five rivers. Panch means panch, five. So it's land of five rivers. Which state in India has the least literacy rate? Most of you might get confused in this question. You might think that Bihar is the answer, but no, Bihar is not. Bihar was the least literacy rate in 2011, according to the to the 2011 census. But recently, there was a survey done, and it was found out that Andhra Pradesh is the least literacy rate. Bihar is the second to it. I mean, after Andhra Pradesh, it is Bihar. So the least literacy rate state is Andhra Pradesh. 162. Ghumar is a famous dance of which state? The answer is B. Rajasthan. 163. Headquarter of National Institute of Oceanography is located in? It is Goa. Which state is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Although I think there is some mismatch in the options because West Bengal is known as the Rice Bowl of India because it is the largest producer of rice in the country. But if you have to select from these options, the Andhra Pradesh is the correct answer because Andhra Pradesh is the largest rice producer among these four states. Okay, so answer is C if these four options are there. The oldest port in India, it is Lothal Port. In fact, this port is uh, from historic times. It is in some first century BC, I guess. I mean, I'm not sure, but it was I mean, before even the Britishers came to India, before the Mughals came to India. So even before that, this port existed. So Lothal is the oldest port in India. Arrange the following planets in the ascending order of their distance. So the planets' name are Jupiter, Venus, Mercury, Mars, and Earth. So we all know that the order of planets is Mercury, Venus, Earth, correct? Mars. So I've mentioned the order below here. 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Continue the given series 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. So I've always told you to find some pattern here. So you can see that these first two digits of the number are 1, 2, 3, correct? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So the next number would be 5, 5. Understood? So this can be an answer. Let's check. Then the third digit is actually sequence. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be the next digit. Okay, so 5, 5, 6. This is the correct answer. Which of the following planet is the nearest to the sun? So again, if from this logic, Mercury is the closest planet to sun. Mercury is the answer. Koina multipurpose project. It's a dam actually. It's a hydro project dam. It is located in which state? It is located in Maharashtra. Okay. So D, Maharashtra is the correct answer. Spot the stranger. Delight, happiness, joy, sorrow. So A, B, and C options are somewhere referring to a state of happiness, a state of joy, correct? but sorrow is grief. Sorrow is basically sadness. So D is the stranger. It's the odd one out. Deepest port in India. It is Gangavaram port. Deepest port in India is Gangavaram port. B is the correct answer. Choose the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Read is to write, as listen is to. So you read something that you write. Okay. So for listening, you have to speak something. So listening is to speak. So read is to write, as listen is to speak. So D is the correct answer. Choose the most appropriate. I don't appropriate word to fill in the blank. There is a missing statement, I guess, here. So we'll skip this question. Choose the pair where the items do not be the same relationship as in the given pair, book and author. So what is the relationship in book and author? Book is something that is written, and who writes it? Author. Okay. So we have to find similar patterns here. Song, actor. Okay. So it is a similar pattern. So this will not be answered. So because they have asked you, do not be at the same relation. We have to choose the pair that does not bear the same relationship. So song and actor is a correct answer. Song and actor is a similar relationship. Painting and artist is a similar relationship. Building and architect is a similar relationship. Chef and dish is the only opposite. Okay. So here dish comes second and chef comes first. So this is opposite. So chef and dish is the correct answer. Option C. Keoladev National Park is situated in which state of India? It's Rajasthan. Iron ore is an important ore of steel. B is the correct answer. Guwahati is situated on the bank of which river? Brahmaputra. In fact, the widest river, Brahmaputra, flows through Assam. Okay. Which city in India is called as the Garden City? It is Bangalore, Bengaluru, as the new name is. Which okay, so write the next number in the series: 3, 6, 12, 24. What will come next? So if you notice the pattern here, it is doubling. Okay, 3 to the 6, 6 to 6 into 2 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. Now next will be 24 into 2 is 48. So A is the correct answer. Spot the stranger: 2, 9, 6, 4. So if you notice, all are even number. 9 is the only odd number, so this one is correct. B is the answer. Indian constitution was adopted and enacted by the Constituent Assembly of India on which date? It was in 26th November 1949. It was 26th November 1949. So C is the correct answer. Choose the pair where the items do not bear the same relationship as in the given pair, airplane and pilot. It's again very similar to the question that we just saw above. Answer is D, ship and chief officer. Ship and chief officer. 183. Teacher is to classroom as chef is to kitchen. Okay. So A is the correct answer. Then 184. Choose the response that will continue the given series. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So what is the pattern here? 1, 2, 3 is here. The next number is starting from middle. 2, 3, 4. The next number is starting from 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next number will start from 4, 5. 4, 5, 6. So this is the correct answer. D. If zebra is coded as AEBRZ, what will be lion coded as? So I think there's some mismatch in the options here. The correct answer is NIOL, because what is happening here is EBR is constant. EBR is constant. What is happening is only the first letter is going to the last and the last letter is going to the first. So the pattern is A has come to the first, AEBRZ, Z from first has gone to the end. So similarly here I and O will be same. L will come to last and N will come to first. So NIOL is the correct pattern. Okay. Now spot the stranger: warm, cold, hot, and windy. So if you notice, A, B, and C are all related to temperatures. Warm, okay, cold, hot. But windy is nothing to do with temperature. O will become P. EPH is the correct answer. Now spot the stranger: carrot, mango, apple, grapes. Okay, all of them are fruit. Only carrot is a vegetable. Hence, this is the odd one out. Write the next number in the series: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So again, 2 to the so this is added. Addition of 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and then 10 plus 2 will be 12. So correct answer is 8, 12. Now choose the pair: pen and paper. So the correct answer is brush and canvas. Okay, you use brush to paint or do whatever on canvas. You don't write with pencil on eraser, correct? You don't write with keyboard on CPUs. So correct answer is C. Now spot the stranger. 16, 25, 49, 37. All of them are perfect squares. If you notice, 16 is equal to 4 square, 25 is equal to 5 square, 49 is equal to 7 square, but 37 is not a perfect square. Hence, C is the odd one out. C is the answer. Now, 23 is written as 618, 45 is written as 2030, 36 is written as 1836, then 57 will be what? But again, identify the pattern here. It's a very good question. So, if you notice, 2 into 3, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. The first digit is, the first part of the number is multiplication of the digits. So, 2 into 3. If you notice here, 4 into 5, 20. 20 is written here, correct? Then again, 6, 36. Okay, so 6 into 3 is 18. 18 is the first part. So, 5, 7 is there. So, what will be the first part of the number? 7, 5, 7 into 5 is 35. 35 will be there. Then, what is the next part? Next part here is, if you notice, 3 into 6. So the last digit here is 3, correct? So 3 into 6, which is 18. Understood? Second part is 3 multiplied by 6. If you notice 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 30 is the second part. Then 6 into 6 is 36. 36 is the second part. So 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. So answer will be 3542. 3542 is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Now here are some numericals. We will solve them. Let's go to 193 question. In a 100-meter race, okay, A covers the distance in 36 seconds. In a 100-meter race, A covers the distance in 36 seconds. So with this, what can be inferred? Distance is 100 meter, correct? Time needed is 36 seconds. So speed will be what? Distance upon time, which is 100 by 36. This we know about the speed. Now what is this asking? B covers the same distance in 45 seconds. Understood? So this is for A. Now B covers the same distance. So distance will be same, 100. Time requires is 45. Understood? 100 meter, 45 seconds. What will be his speed? 100 by 45. Now tell me one thing. If B covers in 45 seconds 100 meter, what will B cover in 36 seconds? Because if these two people are racing and A is faster and B is slower, A will reach the finish line fast and B will be somewhere here, correct? So when B covers, 36 seconds have passed, okay? Because B takes exactly 36 seconds to reach the finish line. B will be somewhere here, okay? We need to find this distance because they're asking by how, by what distance A beats B. So B will cover exactly 100 by 45 into 36. Okay, sorry, 36. So 80. So B will cover only 80 meters when A covers 100 meters. So what is this distance? 20 meters. So A beats B by 20 meters. So 20 meter is the correct answer. Correct, everyone? If hello is coded as IFMMP, what is the code for world? So see what is happening here. H is becoming I, E is becoming F, L is becoming M, L is becoming M. So one forward letter. Okay. So W will become X, O will become P, R will become S. So this is the correct answer. XPSME. Okay. Iron ore plays an important role in production of steel product. Okay. So answer is correct, A, of steel production. Choose the response that will continue the given series. So 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 0. What is happening? So next letter is 7, 8, 9. Then 8, 9, 0. Then 9, 0, 1. So correct answer is A, 9, 0, 1. Choose the response that will continue the given series. 789890901. The next number will be 012. Correct answer is 012A. Again, a race question. In a 200-meter race, X covers the distance in 40 seconds. X covers the distance in 40 seconds. Y in 50 seconds. Okay. In this race, X beats Y by how much? Again, similar question, correct? Similar question. X covers the distance in 40 seconds. Hence, X is the fastest runner. So when X reaches the finishing line, what distance does B cover? Okay. So again, similar logic will apply. So what we'll do is, let's say this is again 200-meter, correct? And X takes 40 seconds, correct? Now Y will be somewhere here when X reaches here, correct? We need to find this distance again. So he takes 50. So tell me one thing. If Y requires 50 meter to cover 200 meters in 40 seconds, how much will he cover? 200 by 50 into 40. Correct? So 160. So he will cover only 160. The remaining is 40. So 40 is the correct answer. Okay. A is the correct answer. In a 150-meter race, P finishes in 30 seconds, Q in 36 seconds. In this race, P beats Q by, again, a similar question. So 150 by 36 into 30. Correct? So 125 is there. So the correct answer is 25 meters. Understood? B is the correct answer of this. Now, again, the last question is coding. Table is coded as UBCMF. What is the code for chair? So T has become U. Again, same logic. A has become B. B has become C. L has become M. One letters forward. So chair will become DIBJS. DIBJS. Correct answer is A. So hope the solution is clear for everyone.